In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a formula property in ClickUp, Calculated Data 2026. We'll set up a formula column so ClickUp can calculate values for you automatically, saving time and reducing manual errors. Start by opening your browser and going to clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your ClickUp account. You can continue with email or use a connected sign-in option. Choose whichever you prefer. Once you're in, you'll land on your home page. On the left sidebar, you'll see your spaces and projects. We're heading to the work where you want calculated data. Open the space and then the list that contains the tasks you'll use. The formula property lives in the grid-style list view, so make sure you're looking at your tasks in a table with columns. Look to the far right of your column headers for the plus button. Click that to add a new column. A picker opens with different field types. Use the search bar to find formula and then select formula. Here's what the formula property does and how to set it up. A formula column lets you compute values based on other task fields. Things like numeric custom fields, time estimates, or other calculated numbers. In the builder, you'll see the fields you can reference, along with basic math operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide, and helpful functions to fine-tune your logic. You can combine fields, add parentheses to control the order of operations, and use functions like if to handle different conditions or round to clean up decimals. Practical examples include multiplying quantity by rate to get a total, adding multiple estimate fields to create a combined forecast, or turning part and whole values into a percentage. If a referenced field is empty, the result may be blank or zero depending on the expression, so test with a few tasks that have real values. You can often choose how the result displays, number, currency, or percentage, so it's easier to read, sort, and report on your data. Type your expression carefully, watch for typos, and keep it readable with spaces and clear parentheses. If your math could involve dividing by zero or missing data, add a simple condition to protect the formula. Use the preview to confirm the output looks right across a couple of tasks. When you're satisfied, save the formula column. It recalculates automatically whenever referenced fields change and remains read only, so it won't overwrite your original data. You can reorder the column in the grid, sort by it, and include it in other views or reports like any standard field. That's it. You've added a formula property and given your ClickUp list the power to calculate data automatically.